Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we're going to check out some haircut ideas. So the first one kicks things off with a hair transformation. So it looks like she's going to be getting a shoulder length lob. So that cut was done on an angle, very blunt ends. The stylist did add a slight wave and a zigzag pattern part down the middle. And then look number 2. So it looks like the stylist is just kind of trimming the hair with the clippers. And then the stylist is going in with some highlights. Ooh, very fresh ombre colored hair, slight wave added, and the off-center part. Very pretty. I love how the color is just so soft and subtle. So then we move into hair transformation number 3. She does have grown out color in the ends here. But I love that dark lipstick. So pretty. And that is the featured stylist. Oh my goodness, wow, this is gorgeous. It's like a very pretty ash blonde, almost platinum color. Gorgeous. It looks so good with the lip color too. So pretty. Next up, so she is starting off with a bob and then adding in some highlights. Gorgeous, I love this bob haircut. And her pink skirt is so cute. So with the next hair transformation, looks like she's going to be getting some highlights. This is from that same stylist. So she went with this beautiful blonde. Middle parts are so popular right now. Very pretty. This is just gorgeous, like everyday hair color. And then next we see this beautiful long money piece highlight look. She does have beautiful balayage as well. Gorgeous hair color. And then we move into this nice lob transformation. And the next one features a color change. This is kind of like a beautiful chestnut brunette color going on. And this is kind of like a very muted rose gold. And then we see an undercut transformation. So she has very long hair and she's getting it all cut off, or shaven off rather. Then we see this beautiful purple, very vibrant purple hair. Now usually when you see purple hair, it's usually like lilac, so it's nice to see an actual purple. So next up we see a hair color change, well, haircut change. I think she is going to be getting some color as well. And then here we see a hair color change. I hate the fact that we didn't get to see the results for the last one, but this one is beautiful, gorgeous foliage added with the coloring technique. And then the next hair transformation started off with grown out colored hair. So she did end up getting the money piece colored as well. Very pretty. I think that this haircut just frames her face perfectly. She kind of has like a heart-shaped face, and it really just pops with the money piece highlights. So pretty. Alright you guys, so that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.